Beginning with the 2020 model year, every Honda Ridgeline comes with a power locking and unlocking tailgate to enhance convenience and security. When enabled, the tailgate will lock and unlock automatically along with the doors. From the factory, the Ridgeline's power locking and unlocking tailgate feature is disabled. Here's the procedure for enabling it, as well as for disabling it later if desired. Start with the vehicle in park and the ignition on. Touch the home icon on the display audio. Select Settings. Select Vehicle. Touch Door Setup. Scroll to the bottom of the menu and select Tailgate Power Locking. Choose the status you desire for the feature. When you touch Enable, the tailgate will power lock and unlock along with the doors. When you select Disable, the tailgate will remain unlocked at all times. After making your choice, confirm it on the screen. Then touch the Home icon to return to the home screen. In the event the power unlocking feature becomes inoperable when enabled, the tailgate can be manually unlocked. First, remove the built-in key from the key fob by sliding the release knob sideways. Locate the access cover along the bottom edge of the tailgate. It is a few inches to the right of center when facing the rear of the truck. Insert and turn the key to remove the cover. Pull the yellow cable to unlock the tailgate. When the tailgate is unlocked in this manner, the vehicle's alarm will sound. Press the lock or unlock button on the key fob to silence the alarm.